Welcome back to my channel, Life on My Bike. Hopefully today we'll be fitting this, which is replacing this, which doesn't work. Well, that's also wired up down to the battery, which we don't really want. So hopefully this one today, which has got this lead on, will plug into a plug under the fairings, which is very similar to that one there, which is a factory fit plug. Hopefully, fingers crossed, let's focus that in. Fingers crossed it fits and it works. Let's see how it goes. As far as I'm aware, there's a bolt here, underneath. There's two more underneath. One there, and then you can see there's a little plug where my finger is. A little plug where my finger is. So it's not too many clips. I think these are going to be in the way though, but we will see. Let's give it a go. Quick 5-mile key. I have to excuse the bike. We went out last week on Tuesday and it was wet. It was put away wet, we didn't get a chance. It was back for tea. So it'll be getting cleaned after this or tomorrow at work, whichever's easiest. Possibly tomorrow at work. Put them there so we don't lose them. I think while I'm doing this, I might fit the radiator guard. That's that one. And then it's just a little clip which is there. Here we go, a little tiny clip. Hopefully, I'll show off there. Hopefully, not quite sure how or if it comes out. There we go. Indicator sun clip and that's it. And that's that off. So the bit we want to remove is this piece. The old connectors. Chase that back to the battery. Make sure you disconnect the right one. And then there's that plug that I'm after. Not a bad job. Give it a wipe down while we're here. Right, that's the old one out. Time to fit the new one. There we go, plus and the minus. Straight, a little short lead goes into there. And we'll give it a test, make sure this works, before we build it back up. Well, we've got power. It's always a good sign. You have power. We have power there, tell me on your volts. We also have car parade. I never pronounce it right. Working again, which is what we wanted. Magic. We'll just tie this wiring up. Keep it clean as it should be. There you go. Now I've done that, I think I need to remove these and plug them into that, just so it's tidier. That's for the Oxford heated grips, but they would look so much tidier sat where they should be. Fair, they turn themselves off after 30 seconds anyway, so they're not so bad. Click, that's in. Just going to feed the rest of it back. Feed the rest of it back home. That's it, in front of there, that's it. There we are, put the seat back on. Always the trickiest bit, I suppose. There we go. I suppose getting used to having your bag is different, isn't it? Hopefully, let's bring you over here. Hopefully, there we go. We get some voltage. We also get, we're not plugged in. If we was plugged in, which we will be very shortly. Car parade. Can't really see that, there we go. There we go. Job's a good one. Right, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please like, subscribe to the channel. See you again soon.